This video is a demonstration of the general sanding operation, dimension sanding a board to thickness, and using the platen for finish sanding. To start out, we're using 80 grit sanding abrasive without the platen to lightly take down the board to thickness dimension. We have a panel starting out at 13/16 thick and want to sand it down to 3/4 inch thick. The platen should be at the 12 o'clock position. Power up the machine by turning the air control switch to the on position. There should be at least 65 psi of air. Before we get started, adjust the table height with the hand wheel so that the indicator reads just less than the thickness of the workpiece. You may also use the optional power lift with digital readout that's available for the 4375 model. Turn on the sanding head with the green button and the conveyor with the yellow button. You can adjust the conveyor table speed from 0 to 18 feet per minute. Now we're ready to make our first pass. Your sander is equipped with a load meter which should not be run over 80%. For the second pass, we're going to raise the conveyor table clockwise 1/4 turn, which will remove approximately 15 to 20 thousandths. Depending on the material, it's recommended to remove no more than 20 to 30 thousandths using 80 grit abrasive. After 3 passes, we should be approximately 3/4 of an inch, since 1/16 is 63 thousandths. Now we can shut down the machine and swap out sanding belts. We're going to use 150 grit with the platen for our last couple of passes. For our last couple passes, the platen should be lowered to the 3 o'clock position. This will give us finished sanding results. There should be no need to raise the conveyor table. Drawing a pencil line will make sure that the platen is hitting the board effectively. Thank you for watching this video of the Safety Speed 4375 model wide belt sander.